Welcome back. South Goa Collector Andy Agarwal has directed the excise officers to initiate action against bars violating excise permit. All the bar owners have been directed to strictly close the bars by 11 at night. Only the bars having permits for extended timings from the excise department are allowed to extend the business timings.
He told to me if certain people has taken the permit after the 11 o'clock also. So that is actually concerned excise officer know the things. So that is the reason I call them, because you go and verified it. If certain people are violating the excise permit, they have to take the action.
Fatorda ground renovation work is halted due to shortage of construction material. The play field development is also lagging behind due to shortage of sand supply. Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar is hopeful of importing sand from neighboring states. However, sand extraction has been banned. He said Fatorda ground renovation for Lusophonia Games will be completed by August.
Lusophonia Games are scheduled in Goa in November 2013. Renovation work at Fatorda is in full swing. However, from past week, the work at Fatorda ground has been at halt. There is shortage of sand. This has delayed construction work of play field and the turf.
सद्याक रामनगर साकून हाडपाचें काम चालू आसा. त्यासून ती शॉर्टेज पडटा हेजी जाणीव आसा. त्यामुळे आमी कर्नाटकाची जे रेंव आसा की तांगेडे उलोवप चालू आसा की मध्यंतरीक ओपन जाता अशें दिसलें म्हाका. म्हाका दिसता नेक्स्ट वीक पर्यंत जी आसा ती कर्नाटकाची कारवार साकून जी रेंव येता ती ओपन जातली. त्यामुळे जो रेंवेचो जो तुटवडो आसा तो भरून येता. मातशें रेंवेक लागून मातशें फाटल्यान पडलें आसा. ते रेंव गती आयली की
Ramesh Tavadkar is, however, hopeful that the work of renovating the ground would be completed by August.
टार्गेट जो आसा त्या टार्गेटानुसार काम चल्लेलें आसा आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा सादारणशें जे प्ले फील्ड आसा तो मे पर्यंत जो आसा न्ही तो जे फिनीश करपाचें आसा तें जातलें अशें एक खात्री आसा. बाकी जें रेनोवेशनाचें काम आसा तें पावस जातलें सादारणशें बाय ऑक्टोबर ऑगस्ट पर्यंत आसा की आमकां एन्युअल करपाचें दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान जो तांणी टार्गेट घालून आसा.
Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Department of Government Technology, in coordination with Kala Academy, organized a fashion show based on environment sustenance. F-Flores is the conservation of environment. The garments worn by the models are designed and embellished with accessories by the students of Government Technology. Have a look. If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.